I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. Not just a quick little video today, but not talking about too much, but just a little recap of the team high voltage show we did over there in Newport, Tennessee. We went to, or whatnot. Excuse me, about the camera. I'm about to drop the phone. But had a good turnout. Greg Kelly and the team high voltage, they always put on a pretty good show. So you know, I like to give him a shout out to him, and you know, let him know we appreciate that. Everybody being a part of the community, of course, you know, and whoever had part in it and putting it on or whatnot, sure appreciate that. As many shows we can go to, man, you know, of course I'm in Tennessee, it's not really a lot of shows, so I really appreciate that anyway. It had a good drive on me, but I had like 5 or 6 hours. Of course, you know, you count in all the stopping, you be about 6 or 7 hours, something like that. But you know, it was a good turnout, so it was definitely a little bit bigger than last year. So yeah, you know, got a lot of good demos and whatnot, and we're gonna keep on doing those as much as possible, you know, much as people allow. And definitely, y'all know, if I do a walk around video, I may not be able to get the something may be wrong with this audio system at the moment, or they're not at the vehicle, or they may not want to do it. So whatever I can get y'all, I'll get y'all to the best of my ability. So y'all please understand that. So be sure to like, subscribe on the video, on the channel as well. So another thing, you know, I have a lot of people say, well, mine's not loud, you know, it's not loud, so you know, they either don't want to give a demo or don't really feel comfortable doing it. I want all demos, you know, so you know, it don't matter to me, you know, it sounds good to me if it works, you know. So if you think about it, most of these systems are louder than the stock radio, so that's good for me, you know. It ain't got to be good to me as long as it's good enough for you, you know. So either way, to me, I appreciate it all. So a little small system, 6x9 system, I don't care what you got, as long as you got something, you know, even if you just want to show it, whatever you're comfortable with doing, I'll do that. So you know, I want to feature everybody I can on the channel, give everybody a little spotlight. I don't have a big channel or nothing like that, but we're growing it, so just stay tuned, you know, share the videos and so forth and so on. So like I said, we probably will be at the next show at Triple Fest, so hopefully we'll be there. That's down in Alabama, and we got a few lined up, and if we find something in between, we'll be coming to those as well. It's not too far. Y'all want to support the channel, y'all see the cash app right there, y'all can do that too. Y'all don't have to, it's not mandatory. They help us get to the shows and all these other stuff and all that. You know, YouTube don't really pay or nothing like that. Well, they do, but not, I don't have a big channel, so I guess it really wouldn't matter. But anyway, y'all be sure to like and subscribe. Let me get this truck pulled out of the driveway and up into the yard, and we're gonna get going, man. Be sure to like and subscribe, share the videos. They're just a review of the Team High Voltage show. Everybody was there. You got the Resilient Sound guys, they're always there every time. It's unlocked. It's unlocked. Oh, okay. Yo, the Resilient Sound guys, they usually come every year and got a good turnout with them. They got some nice stuff as usual. Yeah, so y'all be sure to look at the channel and see those videos. We got a lot more coming up, and hopefully we do some changes here, man. Y'all know we already spoke about it, and I think we're a little bit close to getting ready to do that. So y'all be sure to like and subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.